2004 Subaru Forester. I thought I had an oil leak at the oil cooler right there, but turns out it was leaking up higher. There's actually more O-rings. It's like another sandwich plate at the top, so if you have an oil leak, it doesn't stop after you replace this one, then you gotta go higher and replace the O-rings at the top, which would be these two pieces right here. Black one goes on top first, and then this other one goes under it together. Like, let's see, something like this. It's gotta go like this, and then you put the, is it 5 or 6 millimeter bolts, I think. Yeah, 6 millimeter bolts, but make sure you close this two pieces together, and then you put it back up like so, like that. And that's all you have to remove to get to it. The cross pipe, which is right there. So that's it.